Welcome to your tutorial on how to register for digital banking with Addition Financial. First, visit our website, additionfi.com. On the homepage, on the right side of the screen, you'll find our login box. Click the link that says Register Now. On the next page, fill out all the required information and be sure to double-check that it's all correct. Click Next to continue. On the authentication page, you'll be directed to choose a validation method. You can choose between a text message and/or voice message. Depending on which method you choose, you'll be sent a code to enter to complete the verification. Once verified, you'll get to enter a username and password. For the sake of your personal security, we have created certain listed criteria that must be met for both the username and password options. You can check the password strength meter to see if the password you want to use is strong or not. If it is, you can re-enter it in the next box to confirm. From here, all you need to do is click Register, and then review and accept Addition Financial's legal agreements. Now that we're all registered, let's set up multi-factor authentication. First, we'll need to log into digital banking using the new username and password you just made. Once inside, we'll navigate over to the profile icon on the right side of the navigation bar at the top of the screen and click it. Select Security from the menu. From the Authentication tab in Security, toggle on two-factor authentication. You may also choose to toggle push authentication to your smart device and/or activate an authenticator app. Selecting Activate Authenticator app will trigger a security validation. Using any of these three options will help keep your account secure. Thank you for watching.